Hey everybody, what's going on? Eric here. Welcome to my channel. And kind of cool thing yesterday morning that I saw on YouTube. Basically doing my thing that I do every morning, get the kid out the door for school, come back, look at YouTube, see what videos I missed over the night or in the morning or whatever. And a couple of videos kind of stood out. And one of them is by Chicken and Guitars. I don't know why it's weird saying that, but it is kind of weird saying that. But anyways, they're doing a thing or promoting a thing for a GoFundMe for just people in general who, well, I'll let them explain it to you because, and when I mean them, there is another channel that is also involved in this, and the Jeff Underwood, I believe, is the one who kind of brought this up to get the ball rolling, I guess, with this. So I'm going to put all three of their links in the description below, but I'm going to put two videos up of basically explaining what's going on. The other person that is involved in this is, let me find his channel. I don't want to say the name of his channel wrong. Okay, it's GTV Guitar TV. And like I said, this is pretty cool. I'm going to let them explain it, what their thing is about this. And then I'll explain how I got involved in it. So, watch this.
I just want to remind the community, too, of the GoFundMe that is currently being hosted by GTV. It was actually Jeff Underwood's idea. If you know Jeff Underwood, he's an active member of this community, really cool guy. He just sent me an awesome vise for my workbench. So all around cool dude. It was his idea to start this rotating pot of money that we can all chip in and donate to buy each other gear. So right now it's set at an $800 goal. I think we have about $205 raised. And there was a live stream where we all nominated someone, a deserving member of the community, to receive this pot of money to buy new gear, to buy a guitar, to buy a laptop, film software, anything that's going to help someone in their YouTube/guitar journey. It's going to be closed and then reopened, so it's just going to be this rotating fundraiser. It's a way that we can all just kind of throw a few bucks here and there at it so that you know, we can help each other afford some sort of gear that's necessary.
There's a GoFundMe link in the description, which the idea was created by Jeff Underwood. The purpose is to do like a revolving, rotating GoFundMe to help everybody in this community get gear that they may need to further their channel or their music. The first two nominees, if you saw the live stream, will be Nathan Madden and it's kind of weird, but myself. It was the two forerunners. And then once the goals met for this GoFundMe, there's already $200 there. The GoFundMe amount's $800. We'll close it out, start over again, and do it again, and keep rotating who is going to be the recipient based off who you guys decide to nominate.
All right, so you kind of see where this is going and what it's all about, and I think it's really cool that these guys are doing this for other YouTubers who really have a passion for guitar, gear, and everything else. Now, this is not for e-beggars or freeloaders or people who just want to get free stuff, okay? This is for the honest individuals that, you know, just need a few things or whatever to get themselves going. That's why I'm kind of proud to be a part of this. And I try to donate on to the GoFundMe thing, and they don't accept PayPal. And I don't like giving credit card or card information, you know, for certain things. And so I decided to donate a Ibanez guitar. And, you know, that'll help out somebody and make them really happy. And the person that's getting this, I've watched some of his videos and stuff, and his name is Nathan. He's a fantastic guitar player. I gotta say that a lot of these guys are very, very talented, and this is well worth me getting involved in. So I think it's pretty cool. Links are going to be at the bottom if you guys want to go to the GoFundMe. If you want to see the videos of the people that are involved in this, that are starting this, even though I kind of took some of their videos and put it in mine. But I think it's pretty cool. And yeah, so Thursday, which would be tomorrow, and or Friday, I'll be sending out the guitar to Nathan. It's the blue Ibanez, what is it, the 470 DX, the S series. And yeah, so he'll be rocking on with that. So you guys take it easy. Go hit the GoFundMe thing if you want to, and check out, see if we can help somebody else with doing whatever. All right, so this is the guitar that I'm talking about. This is the Ibanez S series, and this is the 470 DX. Very nice guitar. I gotta say, for some of the Ibanez's that I've had, these thin lines are very nice. And if you followed the videos of when I first got this and what I've done to it, you already know I did a fret leveling job on there, crowning and polishing. Replaced these two knobs. They glow in the dark. It's got the numbers on, so you can see what you're doing in the dark if you're in the dark. Replace these two rings going around the pickups, and installed a new bridge on this thing. Well, not new, it was used. The old one was, the bearings were shot in it. I got the whammy bar for it. Did a cleanup job on the body as well. The back of the neck is really nice and clean, and there's no dents or anything else in it. Everything is pretty good with this thing. There's no problems with it at all. The only thing that might be a little bit questionable is this finish, which is kind of weird. And I gotta say that if you could see that, the way that looks, it almost looks like somebody really screwed up badly when they sprayed this. But no, I guess when Ibanez did this guitar, it was meant to be in a matte finish, which I kind of polished it a little bit, so you will have a slight reflection in this guitar. What they did is they put a silver base coat down, and then the blue was meant to look like this when they sprayed over the silver base coat. And opening up the cavity and everything else, it's sprayed exactly the same way on the inside of the cavity as it is on the body. So this is an actual Ibanez color, which is pretty cool. It's very interesting. There's one little flaw in it, and it's got a little tiny little ding right there. I don't even know if you'll even see it or not. You might even just like, it blends in with the way that the top is. But there's no cracks, there's nothing's broken on this thing. Everything's great. Tuners work. Now it has my grubby fingerprints all over, so I'll have to do a little bit of a cleaning on it. And if anybody knows how I ship stuff, as far as other people who have received stuff or packages from me, I have a love for bubble wrap. So this thing's going to be very, very well protected in its case. Yes, it comes with a case, the original case that this guitar came with. And I am going to make a toolkit for the Allen keys. So they fit, everything fits. You'll be able to set the bridge where you want it, or if you have to change strings or something, you'll have the Allen keys for the locking nut. So I am going to set up there. I got a bunch of Allen keys from other guitars that, I got a pile of them. So same thing with patch cords. So maybe I'll throw a patch cord in with this guitar as well. Yeah, I'll do it anyways. But anyways, yeah. So congratulations, Nathan. And I want to see a video of you rocking this thing out, man. I've seen your videos playing acoustic, and you're damn good. So I'm very, very proud to be a part of this. I hope other people can get involved as well, and kind of why I'm doing this. So other people can get the help that they want and need as well. But again, I'm sorry to say there might be some e-beggars, and there might be some freeloaders that might get involved in this as well. So I hope that the people who are overseeing this can weed those people out. And so we got some honest people who really need something to help them with their guitar playing. All right, so you guys take care, have a good one, and I'm out of here. This thing will be shipped on either tomorrow, which would be Thursday, or Friday. So you guys take it easy.